Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the control settings within the Resident Evil 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Resident Evil 2 game on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, in order to change your control settings, you can go ahead and click on the options menu. From here, click on controls, and now you will be able to redefine your control settings by clicking on key bindings. This will now show you all of the key bindings that are associated with your keyboard and your mouse for your game. You can click on any option that you wish to change, and you will now be told to press the key that you want to bind this action to. Go ahead and press the key that you want to change into, and now this will be applied to the control that you just selected right away. You can do this with all of these controls, and you may also set up multiple keys for the same action within the game. After you redefine all of your options, you can go back to your game and continue playing from the main menu. And now your control settings that you have redefined will be applied to your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings within the Resident Evil 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.